Making the greatest comeback of your life involves a combination of mental resilience, determination, and a strategic approach to overcoming challenges. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, can provide valuable principles to guide you through this journey. Here are some key Stoic insights that may help you make a remarkable comeback. Acceptance of the present. Embrace the reality of your current situation without denial or avoidance. Understand that setbacks are a part of life. Focus on what you can control. Identify aspects of your life that you have control over and direct your energy towards them. Accept that there will be external factors beyond your control. View challenges as opportunities. Stoics believe that challenges are opportunities for growth. Instead of seeing obstacles as insurmountable, view them as chances to develop resilience, wisdom, and strength. Practice negative visualization. Envision worst-case scenarios and mentally prepare for them. This exercise can help you develop a greater appreciation for what you currently have and build resilience for potential challenges. Detach from emotions. While it's important to acknowledge and understand your emotions, Stoicism encourages a certain level of emotional detachment. This doesn't mean suppressing emotions, but rather observing them objectively and not letting them control your actions. Maintain inner virtue. Focus on developing virtues such as courage, wisdom, justice, and temperance. These virtues can guide your actions and decisions even in challenging circumstances. Persevere with patience. Understand that change and improvement take time. Be patient with yourself and the process, and don't be discouraged by slow progress. Set realistic goals. Break down your comeback into smaller, achievable goals. Celebrate small victories along the way, as they contribute to the overall success. Learn from adversity. Use setbacks as opportunities for learning and self-improvement. Reflect on the lessons you can extract from difficult situations and apply them to future challenges. Practice gratitude. Cultivate gratitude for the positive aspects of your life. This mindset shift can enhance your overall well-being and provide a more balanced perspective. Remember that making a comeback involves both internal and external factors. Stoicism provides a philosophical framework for developing the internal resilience needed to navigate challenges. Combine these principles with practical actions, seek support from others, and stay committed to your goals to make the greatest comeback of your life.